Between myself, Jose and Ed, one of the key things amongst many that we had in common was a desire and aspiration to build our own business.
Those early meetings we had culminated in a first close in May at 65 million.
The fact that we actually managed to get our first close in the middle of the pandemic actually was a benefit to us.
And that positive momentum carried on through the summer.
We were genuinely a startup. We funded the business ourselves from the ground up, the three of us.
The fact that we raised 202 is a huge success, and we were massively oversubscribed. From that perspective, QPE is punching above our weight. The quality of the investors that we have, we're very proud of.
Learn Direct was our very first investment.
After speaking to quite a few private equity firms, including obviously QPE, we made the decision to go with them because we felt that their buy and build strategy sat really well with what we were looking to achieve. They are bringing us regular opportunities for acquisition and essentially just build up a strong pipeline.
When QPE came along, we really hit it off straight away, and what they were offering was a genuine partnership approach.
Within 3 months, we actually managed to land the first acquisition, which was a business called Guysmiths.
Overnight, we went from a 130-odd headcount company to one of over double the size, double the EBITDA, double the revenue. We've got a chairman, we've now got a very experienced CFO, which again QPE introduced us to. Within the nature of being a fairly new private equity firm, are in themselves entrepreneurial, and we spoke the same language.
We started very simple with our values, which are empathy, energy and excellence.
What I like about the people are that they all pass the beer test. They're all kind of people you'd want to go out for a beer with.
It's also rare in the industry that you come across a firm with such focus on empathy and actually meaning it.
We take that kind of empathetic approach in the way we deal with each other into the way we work with businesses.
It's quite exceptional in the lower mid-market in the UK to have a private equity fund the size of ours, as diverse as we are.
Everybody has a very different perspective when ascertaining business opportunities.
Almost half of the team are women, and we calculated we speak about 12 different languages amongst us.
We're working in sectors we want to work in, we're working on businesses we want to sort of be working with, so inherently people are enjoying themselves and it comes across.
We can bring that energy, that enthusiasm and that diversity which not everyone can.
What we do is help entrepreneurs achieve their growth ambitions, and that's really what excites me, making a difference in the sectors and subsectors that we look at.
Encore is the third portfolio company of QPE Fund 1.
With QPE it was very different from day one. Just even their faces, they were nice people to talk to, and as I said, they listen, they ask us the right questions, and I see a combination of organic and inorganic growth. I have to say that I'm excited, and not only myself, I think that the senior leadership team of Encore that are equally excited.
So we picked QPE mainly because of their drive, their energy, their understanding of our business. Showed great excitement when we were demonstrating our products, which I think really attracted us to QPE. They've attracted a really high caliber board, so we've recently brought on Chris Stibbs, who's led media companies, he's the ex-CEO of The Economist. We're really excited working with QPE, given their business expertise, particularly value creation of businesses.
So when you're a kid and you're in the school, and you have these teachers that kind of emanate this willingness of doing the things in a particular way, and you can't want to please them, no? And then you do your best. That's exactly the same feel with QPE. I want this to be successful, and I will be proud if they are proud of us.
It has been a fantastic journey for us. We have done, in less than a year, 7 investments, 4 platforms, 3 bolt-ons.
We're obviously very proud and excited to have made it really our third move to here in Glasshouse Street in the middle of Soho.
Seeing us go from a tiny little office where we barely had any desks, and then moving into our space of our own, and then finally now where we have enough room for everybody.
I think this office marks the beginning of the next stage, if you like.
The investments we've made are all doing incredibly well.
More of the same and more excellent businesses to work with and get to know better.
Every single day we're actually finding that we are getting closer to where we want to be.
What really excites me is I can't see any reason why that won't continue.